Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my all videos and I welcome all of you at my Mac Forex YouTube channel. I always try my best to bring for you the best strategies, best knowledge of the Forex, best indicators, best expert advisor you can see here at my channel. There are different kind of strategies and weekly forecast also I have started to share. So today the topic is gold weekly forecast. I will discuss with you what is the expected price of the gold end of this week. Okay, so the main thing is you need to know the trend of the gold, you need to know the high impact news which is coming. So after this and you need to draw the support levels, resistance levels, and then you can decide what is the price, what price is expected in next week. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I have basically four best indicators for this analysis for the gold, weekly gold. You can see first is this. Okay, so what is the role of this best indicator? You can see here this area is the support level, but a weak support level. This is not a strong support level. Okay, so now if the price goes this point and reverse or break, if reverse, market will go down, and if the price break this support level, then the price is expected more go down. I will show you in zoom, like a zoom in, then you will understand. Like this I will show you. Okay, so you can see here now price is 1756 level. Okay, if price break this, then expected price will go at this point like a 1831. Okay, and if price break this area or this area, then expected at this point, and then from this area again market will reverse. Okay, so this was the our prediction. But how you can trade in midway? For example, if you want to trade, we cannot wait for the exact entry point when price will go the strong resistance level, this or strong support level. So the way is you can scalping. For example, at this point you can buy, at this point you can sell, and again at this point you can set the take profit and set the sell area. For example, there you can set the sell limit, you can buy from here. Okay, and you can set the stop loss of the sell at the above of these. For example, if market go there and the expected, the 70 to 80% expected market to go down at this support levels. Okay, so like this you can trade. So what the second strategy said, you can see that gold is trend is now going in bearish. You can see from this area to this area already bearish, but expected gold will come more down like 1723, and from this area can reverse. Okay, so like this you can easily analyze the market trend and prediction of the market. Okay, same from this also, and you can like analysis by your own also. You can see here I will draw the lanes for you. Okay, you can see this was the bullish trend and this is the bearish trend. Okay, you can see market is at this point. If break these areas, and this is the levels. I always try to give you the proper knowledge of the indicator, what I have. Okay, because in this market nobody is 100% sure in what is happening in next what is happening in next 20 minutes or so. We can predict the market and then can decide. For example, after study, when you enter the trade in market, then 80 to 90% chance your trade will go in profit. So the weekly gold price is expected, if break this zone market will go there, and if break this zone market will go there. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this my gold weekly forecast, and you can contact with me at my WhatsApp number also if you want any kind of information, any kind of good strategies, any kind of good expert advisor also. You can contact with me. I have given my WhatsApp number in every video description. Goodbye. Thank you.